Hey, what's up guys? I'm Andrew Harvey and I made 100K structural welding in 8 months. I graduated KWI March 6th of last year. I was looking for a job for about a month before I got out, and I heard about a beam splicing job at a food plant. So I was there for about 2 weeks. I'd say went there about 4 days or so after I left KWI, doing vertical splices for supports for the roof. So cutting out the old splice, and then the engineer would figure out what type of beam or the orientation we'd have to put it in, and then mostly just horizontal stick welding for that. And then I met a guy there and let him know I was looking for work, didn't really have a plan, and he was like, well, I'm headed up to a job in Maine on a Navy base doing a dry dock project. It's about a 10-year project. Building dry docks and doing extensions for the Navy. And so took him up on that. About 2 weeks later, headed out there and been out there for about a year now. Some advice I'd give before coming to the Kentucky Welding Institute is make sure you're ready before you come here. Make sure you're ready to put in long hours and prepared to work hard. It's not easy, but you can definitely get the job done. And it's not, at the end, once you build that momentum, you'll keep going and things will get easier. Your first month and a half, month or two is really hard. You got to put in a lot of hours. But in the end, you'll be happy you put in the time and the places it'll get you. Some advice I give about the welding industry is hard work earns respect. There can be a lot of hotheads or a lot of really opinionated people, and I'd say just be mellow. Just go with the flow. You can definitely put your opinion in, but at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. If they don't do it your way, the work will still get done. If you're interested in coming to the Kentucky Welding Institute, check us out on social media or head on to Kentucky Welding Institute's website.